So I told him, just relax. I got it. So just finished one settlement. Now I'm getting ready to go to another one, and then we have a third one today after that. But right now I just got a call from the buyer's agent doing the walkthrough here that there are 4 holes in the wall. Well, there was a massive mirror, of course, and then the oven door handle came apart. So I told him, just relax. I got it. I've actually got my contractor in the building right now, so we'll get on that in terms of patching that, and then we'll figure out the oven door. In the end, I just stressed calmness. It'll all be good. We're gonna make sure everything's right, and not gonna let something get in the way of the property settling, but also I'm gonna make sure that the buyers are happy. It's that simple. Okay, so here are the items. The holes right there, where there was a big mirror, and it just was perfect that my contractor was in the building, actually down one floor across the hall. So we were able to come down here. I was reassured the buyer's agent and the buyer that it'll be taken care of. And just sincerely, I said, I'm not gonna let you come in if something like that is bothering you. There was a big mirror there, so I can move. And then this thing, the handle, it was a little bit loose, you know, the whole time. And the owner told me that originally, but it just came off when they pulled it. So we will figure that out. We're gonna see if it can be fixed. He's gonna see if my contractor, if that can be fixed, if it can be, you know, secure. But if it's not, then we're gonna work out some kind of credit. So I'm gonna talk to everybody and just get that on the same page. That's it. Things happen. You work through them. You get to the finish line, and this one is 30 minutes away from getting to the finish line. So we're on to settlement number 2. We will finalize these little issues that have to be resolved with the oven door and the patching and painting of a few little wall areas. That's it, not a big deal. It will be taken care of. In general principle, agreed to take care of. I showed them a picture of my contractor already working on patching a couple of little holes. So they already feel good about that. Now we have to just kind of probably come up with a credit number, a seller credit for the oven door, which is not going to be resolved today. We never let something that small to hold anything up, but you have to make sure people understand and are calm and feel good about it, because that's important. And we ended up giving them $150 credit for the oven. Probably would have cost at least that just to get somebody else to look at a repair. Sometimes the repairs are crazy. It's ridiculous. Like the inside of a front-loading washer, the rubber gasket, it's like $300 to put one of those in, minimum, because the part's like $100. So it's crazy. So that's what we did, and it's resolved. Did a Venmo at the table, because if you don't, then you got to send everything back. Even if it was a $50 credit, you got to send everything back to the lender to redo all the documents, and you don't want to do that. So everybody's happy, everybody's good, and it's on to the third settlement here in Chevy Chase. On we go to the third settlement today in Chevy Chase. So it's a little bit of a dash here.